Hello, welcome to this CATIA V5 tutorial on 2D view creation. In this tutorial we shall be looking at the basic 2D views that CATIA has and how to create them. The first things you need for a 2D view is obviously a 2D drawing sheet. We've created one here. If you don't know how to do that, check out the earlier lesson on drawing creation. The next thing you need is a 3D object. Have this torque arm loaded, ready to go in a 3D world. So, prerequisites satisfied, we can now create the first view. We go to the front view icon, click, and then into the 3D space. You can then see how we pick on a face to create the view, and we end up with a oriented preview on the bottom right hand corner of the 3D space. This shows you basically what the view will look like. So that's the view we require. We click on, zoom out slightly. The view still isn't created yet. We can still manipulate it. We can rotate it round if we want a different type of view using these controls. We can rotate the view until we're happy. I'm happy with that, so I now click anywhere in the drawing sheet and now the view is created. So I've just created a front view. You can tell that the front view is active as it has a red border around it, a red view frame, and the blue line is in the tree, making it the active view. So now we can cover the projection view, which is simply projecting the elements of the solid or the view into the location that is required, and you can do this just by clicking on projection view and dragging the mouse below, to the left, to the right or above for whichever view you require. I'm going to create this one here, and then I'm going to create this one here. The next view we can do is the auxiliary view. That's the icon that looks like this. When we click on that, this basically gives a view on kind of scenario. So you basically draw a line where you want your view to be, and you will get a view from the active view, like so. Notice it draws a little tiny arrow. You can say view on arrow A, auxiliary view A. The next view to create will be the isometric view. So we go, this is slightly different way of creating a view. We go to the isometric view icon. It's like creating the front view first. Into the window, open it up. We decide what the view wants to look like. I'm going to just pick on the isometric view here, and then I shall pick on the face, and this gives you the isometric view. Now if we just delete that and do that again, we can show you that it copies whatever angle the 3D view is positioned at. So we position it in a bizarre way like that. We can then click on there, and you see the isometric view is the same as the 3D view. So that is the basics of creating a view within CATIA. We have checked out the front view, a projected view, and the isometric view. Thanks very much for watching, and tune in again next time.